The cost of healthcare in the United States is simply becoming unaffordable.
Today, what we see is that everyone but the 1% is at risk of financial disaster from even a relatively minor healthcare encounter. Politicians, they're always saying bad pharma, bad insurers, bad device makers, but no one goes after the hospitals. And yet, they are the biggest source of price increases in the last decade.
They found tumors in his liver and in his colon.
I started to have trouble with pain in my face and my left ear. I was diagnosed with a very rare cancer.
I've had breast cancer twice, have lung cancer twice. Well, they found another spot on my lung.
I don't want to say on my deathbed, crap, I'm dying because they wouldn't let me see the doctor.
Hospitals, they made $1 trillion last year, and it's going up. And the reason is not because we're getting so much better hospital care. It's because the hospitals have merged and consolidated, and they're demanding higher prices.
The vast majority of the hospitals are still considered not-for-profit. Even though they do all of the profit-making things we see them doing today. Our bodies are the ATMs.
So what's your salary?
$6 million.
It's a nonprofit hospital paying exorbitant executive pay.
They're supposed to be a charity. They weren't so charitable in staying in the community that actually needed their services.
A lot of times people get mad and say, well, somebody needs to do this. Well, who's the somebody?
I should not be in medical debt to my employer.
Because of your greed, people are going to die. Can you look me in the eye and tell me that you don't care? You have no conscience. You have all lost your souls.
If you think this battle is not real, you need to look at me. It crosses all color lines. I don't care if you're a Democrat, Republican, we are all one.
We should not have to choose between bankruptcy or death.